Shakala shakala, bagala bagala, shakala shakala, bagala bagala, munjami, 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 munjami.
So to na boo so to na boo.
Hello. Rivacho, Director, good morning.
Good morning.
Rivacho, many Giona Mefro say I just want to be part of your production.
Oh, okay. All right, what is your name again?
Franka.
Okay, Franka.
Please. Baby, I try me no my bedroom, but I think said there is 4 junction B. And I may free say me fine cause me far right I left there is some yellow building with some yellow car. May go straight in so and also yeah be poka crab but there is some greenhouse. Me far right and so there is some factory B omucha break a box near there. So, yeah, and temperature which is which.
Okay. There is
factory, no, that means me say right.
Right, and then you are coming towards the top there.
Okay. Thanks. So if I get there, should I call you or cause the destination?
Exactly.
Okay, thanks.
Action.
This guy is keeping on good. Why is passing? Huh? You have to call me, but he didn't call me.
Please.
Hello?
I'm the one. I just want to confirm.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great.
Please, I'm Franka.
Okay, you are the Franka.
Yes.
You called me.
Yeah.
You want to act?
Yes, please. Sorry
okay.
for calling again.
Oh, don't worry.
It was a mistake.
Oh, don't worry. Oh, my goodness. You're looking so great.
Thanks.
Okay. Let me see. Are you sure you can act well?
Yes.
You can act well?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let me see. Who is your real model?
My real model?
Exactly.
certain girl. I think she's YouTube actress.
Okay. What is his name?
Actually,
You don't know his name, but you
I've
can see.
forgotten, but yeah.
You can see how the way he acts. Well,
Yeah, she's very good in acting.
Okay.
Yeah, she's with a colleague called Ahmad Sunja.
Oh, okay. Your name is Frankie or something.
Yeah, Franka.
Frankie. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Oh.
she's my role model.
Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness. Have you short of words? Because I see you are looking so great.
Thanks.
The role they will give it to you will fit you well.
Thanks.
The role they will give it to you, because I'll give you more roles, because the way you are standing, your body and everything show that you can act well. Gosh, oh my goodness. Okay, let me see something
Please,
small.
can't we go to your office?
No, I'm going to location.
Okay.
We are going to shoot. I have the script over here.
Okay.
But I want to test you and see that maybe you can do it well or you can't.
Alright.
Do you understand me? Oh, okay, let me see. You can act something small like the person you are talking to. Like you are talking to somebody, like you say your role model is Frankie. What is that he do? Like something small, let me see that you can do your best work.
But she got a different role, so you just give me the role.
So, okay, let me see. Any role you have, or maybe you can read your mind that, okay, Frankie, like sometimes they walk in a catwalk or any, but let me see. Give me the catwalk. Give me the catwalk, let me see.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Can you get this for me?
Give it to me.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Bring it. Yeah. Or it's
Okay,
acting.
okay,
Yeah,
let
bring
me
it.
use
Bring it. Or it's acting. Bring it. That is it. Okay, let me hold it. Start the whole thing again. You are too much. Start the whole thing again. Give me the shotgun. Give me the shot. 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 And go. Let me see. Give me the shot. Give me the shot. Give me the shot. Give me the shot. Oh my goodness. And yet you have a job at your dear. Oh God. You are so splendid. Hey, when the camera is on you, I say you will feel good.
Oh, sorry, please
Okay.
mute me. I don't want to disturb you.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
So I'm going to see some movie. I don't know, maybe you will join me and we can go and let me show you to director, or maybe introduce you to directors over there and maybe after that we are not going on set. Maybe the other director will use you and
Okay, I think that's good, cause
that's good. So you
I'm-
can go with me.
yeah, I'm ready to be an actress, and I have the passion and the talent.
But my problem is this.
Director.
Wait. He's acting.
Okay.
He's acting. Like you are talking to your boy on the phone. Let me see. Like something small.
With hanger
Yeah,
or
exactly.
what do you take me for? I've been calling you say something. You're not
Cut! You pick it. Let's go. You're too much.
Oh,
Let's go.
thanks.
You pick it. Bye, Pepe. You are too
So
much.
am I qualified to act?
No,
Not
you are qualified. You are splendid and then you are too much. They will give you the correct role and then you play it well, okay?
God bless you. So what about the money?
Everything will make good.
Okay.
As soon as you act well, I think you will go for it.
No, the amount you're gonna
Pay you?
yeah. No, like amount like I gonna pay you.
The money you want to pay me?
Yeah.
I
Then you
have
told me
to-
my registration fees.
Exactly.